This lavish Floridian Mediterranean-style mansion is located on West Isle Place in Woodlands, Texas. The beautiful waterfront property will leave you breathless. The home boasts 5 primary bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. A dual gated entry opens to a spacious circle drive and an exceptional custom home that features a stunning interior complete with luxury amenities and soft hues throughout. Thick layers of crown molding, marble staircases, Venetian plaster walls, and 24-karat gold hardware barely scratch the surface of the great features in this home. Inside, dramatic high ceilings, elegant lighting and Italian chandeliers, custom millwork, luxury fixtures, Venetian walls and ceilings, travertine floors all complement the soft hues throughout the house. The huge living room consists of several zones, again featuring a 2-story budded glass picture window. To trim the white walls, a Venetian plaster was used with natural marble and gorgeous stone traditionally used in the design of palaces. A grand piano setup adds a flair of grandeur in the platinum undertone. In the luxurious bedroom, glossy podium placed a huge bed and large windows at the bottom, a zone for relaxing, reading books, and leisurely admiring stunning surroundings. The ceiling molding is a custom hand-carved wood molding, which makes the room more gorgeous with its patterns. Bathroom adjacent to the bedchamber, hardly a bathroom, rather, it is a luxury apartment in the comfort of which you can spend the entire day. The spa is a must-see. Custom-fit body seats designed for the owner in the in-ground spa pool awaits under a miniature waterfall to relax after a tiring day, or step out and around the corner and enter 2 separate dry and wet sauna rooms. Ceiling tiles inlaid in the dome shape creates a feeling of openness with the custom chandelier completing the space. The luxurious home theater, a favorite place of many owners and guests, awaits right outside the day spa. This area boasts high-quality acoustics and modern technology, allows you to enjoy movies with the quality found in specialized cinemas. All the rooms of the house were placed to take advantage of the exterior lake views and access enclosed covered veranda and summer kitchen through vanishing retractable slider doors onto the limestone terraces of the adjacent state-of-the-art engineered custom-built pool by Liquid Extreme Pools of Houston. Extensive outdoor living includes a private dock with bench seating, expansive balconies, infinity pool and spa, summer kitchen, auto sunshades, and fire pit. Enjoy sunlit days in the pool or beautiful evenings on a relaxing boat ride.